So is your Febreze plug scent, is it flashing blue? That means it's time to change the fragrance bottles. Okay, so this is the Febreze plug scent. It has the booster up here, but if that blue light is flashing, that means it's time to change. And it will take any of the refills. So you just simply pop this off the top. You're going to pull this out. These are two glass tubes that are connected together. This is what it usually looks like when it's empty. All the liquid's gone. There's what it looks like. Now, here's the new bottle. We want to take these caps off. Now, hold the glass, take that cap off. That can be pretty hard. You may have to get like a rubber gripper or something to grip it. And then take this cap off. We're not going to touch the wicks. Leave this plastic part on. That keeps the bottles together. And you're simply going to take it and we're going to insert it till it clicks. Push in right like that. And then we're simply going to take the base with the word Febreze and simply stick it on. It just snaps on. Yeah, like that. And you're ready to go. Plug it back in and you're ready to go. Yeah, if the blue light is still on, take the bottle in and out and make sure you unplug it and then plug it back in. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.